What is up? Irrational Diversions. Imagine a Honda, my bullet, or an Odyssey. But now, imagine it with a brand new V6, designed from the ground up, that's not just powerful, but also gets incredible mileage. For decades, Honda's J-Series V6 has been the reliable workhorse. But even the best eventually need a successor. Honda is not just tweaking an old engine. They are building something entirely new for the electrified future. This isn't just a rumor. Honda has confirmed they are developing a next-generation large-size hybrid system for North America, featuring an all-new V6. This is huge. Today, we're diving deep into the leaks and the truly mind-blowing tech that will power Honda's biggest vehicles by 2027. Get ready to say wow, because this isn't your grandma's hybrid V6. First, let's talk about the heart of it, the all-new V6 engine. This is a clean sheet design, no more J-Series. This V6 is purpose-built to work seamlessly with electric motors. It's expected to be around a 3.0 to 3.5 liter displacement, ensuring it still has that V6 grunt, but it will primarily operate on the Atkinson cycle. This maximizes thermal efficiency when the gas engine is running. Crucial for that massive fuel economy jump. It's about squeezing every last drop of energy out of the fuel. Now, for the wow factor number 1, silicon carbide switches. Yes, silicon carbide. This isn't just some component for high-end EVs. Honda is expected to integrate 6 switches right into the power control unit and inverter of this hybrid system. So, why does that matter? Think of it like upgrading the wiring in your house. Silicon carbide dramatically increases the efficiency of the power electronics. It means less energy is lost as heat, allowing the system to run at higher voltages and higher switching frequencies. This translates directly to more efficient power transfer, making the electric motors more powerful and much more responsive. It's bleeding-edge technology, the kind you see in supercars, making its way into mainstream Honda vehicles. TCR game-changer performance. Next up, let's talk about the drive system. This is not your basic hybrid setup. We are talking about a system with up to 3 electric motors. 2 will be up front, handling generation and propulsion, similar to the excellent two-motor hybrid systems Honda uses now, but the 3rd motor, that's for the rear axle. This is a brand new rear electronic drive unit, or what's known as an e-axle. This completely replaces a traditional mechanical drive shaft and differential for all-wheel drive models. The e-axle delivers instant, powerful electric torque directly to the rear wheels. It's faster, more precise, and way more compact than any mechanical system could ever be. For you, the driver, this means superior traction in bad weather, better and more responsive handling, and a really robust feel for towing or even light off-road situations. This compact e-axle also allows for a flatter interior floor and more flexible packaging for the whole vehicle. This is huge for interior, space and future vehicle design. And here's another incredible piece of tech, the dual-speed lock-up clutch system. Most hybrids either run the gas engine as a generator. For the electric, motors or clutch it indirectly only at high speeds for highway cruising. But Honda's new system takes it a huge step further. The new V6 engine will be able to directly drive the wheels not just for highway cruising, but also for low-speed, high-load situations. Think about towing a heavy trailer from a complete standstill or climbing a really steep grade. This dual-speed clutch provides a mechanical advantage and torque multiplication exactly when you need it most. It's what transforms a mild hybrid into a true powerhouse that can handle serious work. THCACO Ringo achieved that, more than 10% acceleration, improvement target they've set. It's smart, it's effective, and it's a big deal for capability. All of this advanced hardware is tied together with an integrated cooling system. Instead of having separate cooling loops for the gas engine, the electric motors, and the power electronics, Honda is combining them into a single, compact unit. This reduces complexity, frees up a ton of valuable space in the engine bay, and increases the overall thermal efficiency of the entire system. It's just smart, elegant engineering that makes a very complex system work better as a whole. Finally, let's talk about the driving feel. Honda understands that pure efficiency isn't enough. Driving a car should be fun. Leaks and patents suggest they're implementing advanced software like S+ shift logic. This is designed to simulate a 7-speed automatic transmission, complete with distinct gear shifts and even rev matching on the downshifts. So even though the hybrid system is operating as a super efficient eCVT for much of the time, this software will provide an engaging and sporty driving experience. So, when you put it all together, this new V6 hybrid isn't just an update. It's a complete reimagining of what a large Honda powertrain can be. It's purpose-built for power, for incredible efficiency, and for true capability. This is cutting-edge stuff that's going to make a lot of vehicles, from the Pilot to the Ridgeline, and maybe even some Acuras, absolute powerhouses with fantastic MPG. It's the future, and it's coming soon. What part of this next-gen V6 hybrid makes you say wow? Is it the silicon carbide, the e-axle, or that clever dual-speed clutch? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to Irrational Diversions for more deep dives into Honda tech and our latest DIY mods. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.